So next we have Dr. Prithvi Chandrakanth. He is a prolific serial innovator with more than 24 innovations, 30 articles, and most of them being innovations, 170 scientific presentations, instruction courses, so many awards, and he is also in editorial boards and everything. Young ophthalmologist to watch out for. Over to you, Dr. Prithvi.
Thank you, John sir, for the introduction. I'll be talking about do-it-yourself innovations for all ophthalmologists. So first, I have some financial interest over here. These are the products. So first I'll go with the ASP, anti-segment photography with intraocular lens. Basically this is a very simple way of taking anti-segment photo. You just need to take a black chart. Here it is a white chart, but you can take a black chart, you can reduce the reflection and cut it into a strip of 10 centimeter into 1.5 centimeter long strip. So once that is done, you'll be getting this kind of a strip. And on top of that, you have to mark the area where the intraocular lens will be placed. So this is the place where you're going to put the intraocular lens. So between that, what we'll do is we'll be putting a double-sided sticky tape. So this particular tape has two-sided stickiness, and then we'll put a puncher, paper puncher. We'll make a small hole. So once that is done, you will be putting the intraocular lens in that particular hole. So that is exactly 6 millimeter. So once you have done that, you can take the double-sided tape, the second side, you can open it, and then at this particular place, we can put the intraocular lens. So we are placing the intraocular lens over here. Around 15 to 20 diopter IOL will be placed here. And this is actually put onto the primary camera of your smartphone. So once you have done that, you can just paste it with a micropore or a sellotape to the phone, and now you have a diffuse slit lamp right in your phone. You don't really require actually a slit lamp, but this is what is going to take anti-segment. You can put it in all type of phones and on your video mode and on the flashlight, and you'll be able to take images of the anti-segment very easily without a slit lamp. And this is a video of the same showing how to take this, and few images. Just because of want of time, I'll be going a little fast over here. So these are all the images taken from the ASP device, and this is the do-it-yourself thing, so anybody can do it. It's very easy with all the basic materials in your OPD. So this is also video which was taken from the ASP. The second innovation, so this is also in 3D printed. John sir was telling about the 3D printing technology. We use that to actually make an adapter. The next innovation is slit scope. So we thought, why not make another innovation and make it like a slit lamp. So we thought of making a slit torch. So basically we took a torch and we applied a small slit with the chart paper on top of a small sketch pen cylinder plastic, which was put together, and we were able to make a slit. So this is basically a slit that we did in the first prototype, and then we thought, why not make it more better, and with the 3D printer we started printing adapters of the same concept, and then it just within 350 rupees we were able to make this adapter which can be put onto the torch, and now you are able to take slit images with ASP and slit scope together, and nobody will recognize whether it is a slit lamp or not. So this is how easy it is, and it can be done by anybody with the things in your OPD itself. So next innovation is the ASP Gonio. Like I told you, ASP with the 10 diopter IOL, 8 diopter IOL or 6 diopter IOL, we can actually start taking Gonio images also of the angles. So these are the few images that we took without a slit lamp, just with ASP device, but with a diopter lens of 6 diopter, 8 diopter or 10 diopters. So these are all the quite good images that we got from the ASP Gonio. The next one is Scooby-Doo. So we thought, why leave cobalt filter? So we thought we'll do the ASP device. We added one acrylic cobalt blue filter, and that will correspond to the flashlight, and the flashlight itself will get converted into a blue light, and now you get even cobalt blue imaging videography in your smartphone itself without a slit lamp. So we covered almost everything in the slit lamp. All the aspects of the slit lamp was covered with the smartphone. The next one was, why not do another technique where we can put the 30 diopter IOLs together. So we started sticking 4 30 diopter IOL one upon the other with Fevicol, again things which you get in the house itself. So you can just ask your kids or anybody to do this, they will help you. You don't have to do it by yourself, it's so easy. And then once you put this onto the phone, your phone is getting converted to a microscope. So once you've done that, you'll be able to see fungus, you'll be able to see, so you can see all the fungal hyphae, you can see a lot of hyphae over here, you can see caterpillar hair, you can see parasites, anything which you take from the slit lamp, you can put it and you can start taking images. So that is IOL scope. The next one is gimbal scope. Gimbal scope, basically using smartphone adapters, you are going to attach it to the retinoscope. So once you have attached it to the retinoscope, you will be able to take live images of the reflexes of retinoscopy with the reflex, against the reflex, again moment, and then even neutralization point, and it will become very easy for you to actually teach your mentees and your juniors. So this was gimbal scope. Next one was pupil mate. We actually made a VR headset which can actually, with the infrared LEDs that we get from the cameras of CCTV, and we actually made a pupil documenting device. You can see over here, the pupil over here, it gets recorded instantaneously live, and it becomes very easy. We use only the basic cardboard and old CCTV LED lights and camera to use it. So this was pupil mate, and then we have the trash to treasure red cam, basically making a red cam posterior segment imaging device using a sanitizer bottle. We make flaps over here so that it holds the 20D lens, and then the other side you are going to put the smartphone and you will be able to take fundus images. And we made it more smaller by 3D printing, again the same technology. Over here you can see this was a keychain that I saw in one of the fair exhibition. So I bought it and I saw how this works, and we used this concept to actually shrink our red cam. And over here you can see how we have, over here you can see how the same keychain model we used to make the retina posterior segment imaging device. And so this is how we take images. Easily you can take videos also, and these are the videos that we took. I think the time is up. There are a few more innovations. I won't be able to cover this. Okay. So any other innovations I can actually show you later. Thank you.